Now substitute the value of okay, then equation 2 will substitute take p outside, so this is what you will get. Now substitute p square into this equation. So it is going to be 1 by p square into p square and value substitute here. So a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta into we have b square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta minus b square minus a square whole square sin square theta cos square theta. Now let us expand this and simplify the term. So we will get 1 by p square. So we will get a square b square cos raised to 4 theta plus a raised to 4 cos square theta sin square theta plus b raised to 4 cos square theta sin square theta plus a square b square sin raised to 4 theta. Then p term expanding over, you will get minus b raised to 4 sin square theta cos square theta and plus 2 b square a square sin square theta cos square theta minus a raised to 4 sin square theta cos square theta. So the answer cancel out. So remaining we have 1 by p square. Now a square b square is common in this. So ബാക്കി വരുന്നത് നമുക്ക് we can write as cos square theta plus sin square theta whole square. So this is equal to 1. So we get a square b square by p square. So we started with p d square p by d theta square plus p square, that is equal to this. So therefore p d square p by d theta square plus p square is equal to a square b square by p square. So therefore we get d square p by d theta square plus p equal to a square b square by p cube. So that is the required result. Look at one more problem. So if we are given x plus p by 2 equal to a tan inverse of a log y, where a is greater than 0, and we need to prove that y double dash minus y dash log y is equal to y dash square. So from here we will get, so we have the equation x plus b by 2 is equal to a tan inverse of a log y. So from here you will get tan of x plus b by 2a will be equal to a log e to the base 1. Now let us differentiate on both sides of the equation. Call this equation 1. So differentiating 1 with respect to x on both sides. So we are going to get tan the derivative of sec square varum sec square x plus b by 2a. The derivative of x plus b by 2a is 1 by 2a. So that will be equal to a by y into y dash. Okay. Now we have sec square x plus b by 2a. Ini sec square എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 1 plus tan square x plus b by 2a will be equal to sec square x plus b by 2a So therefore we will get 1 by 2a. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിനെ നമുക്ക് sec square x plus b by 2a നെ നമുക്ക് 1 plus tan square. Tan square will be a square log to the base y whole square में एगा. So that will be equal to a y dash by y. Now let me take 2a to the right side. So you will get 1 plus a square log to the base y whole square equal to 2a square by dash by y. And now let us differentiate once again. So നമ്മൾ ഒന്നുകൂടെ differentiate ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് second derivative വരും. So call this equation 2. So differentiate 2 with respect to x. So when you differentiate 2, you will get a square into a square into 2 log e to the base y into the y derivative, the log y derivative 1 by y into y dash. So that will be equal to, so on the right side you will have 2a square. So using quotient rule, so you get y square into y double dash minus y dash square. Okay. Now 2a square will cancel off. So we will get log e to the base y into y dash by y equal to y double dash minus y dash square by y square. So that is going to give, what do I cancel out? So we will get y by dash log e to the base y is equal to y double dash minus y dash square. So therefore we will get y double dash minus y dash log e to the base y equal to y dash. So this is the result we wanted to put. So those are a few problems. Now I want you to work out these problems. So if y equal to a cos log x b sin log x, show that x square b square y by dx square plus x dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. Y equal to log x by x, and show that d square y by dx square is equal to 2 log x minus 3 by x cube. And if y is equal to log sin x, show that y3 is equal to 2 cos x by sin cube x. So please work out these problems. Okay, so here y3 denotes a third derivative.